how to log out of Facebook on iPhone Safari. So what we can do is we can simply go back and we can go in our settings, and after going in our settings, we will go in our general, and we will go in our software update. After going in our software update, we have to uh, make sure that our automatic updates are turned on, and we have to make sure that our software is up to dated. Mine is not, and I'll update it real quick. And after updating it, we can go back to our Safari, and we can click on our three lines right there, and we can scroll down a bit, and there, after scrolling, we'll get to see our logout option. We'll click on it, and if you want to save our password, you can click on yes. If not, then no. Then after clicking on it, we have to make sure that it's your account. You'll click on my account, or you can click on wrong account if it's not your and it's the wrong account you're trying to log out. So that is how to log out of Facebook on iPhone Safari.